Greetings. Stay a while and listen.
Alright, welcome back to episode 14 of the Cool Tool podcast for at South Piedmont Community College. Today is SlideRocket. This is an alternative out there to make multimedia presentations, kind of like PowerPoint without the PowerPoint. It's totally online, and it has a lot of tools that you don't have access to just using PowerPoint. It has a lot more powerful ways to embed media and stunning visuals, and it gives you the ability with a click of a button to get a link to share it with anyone instead of having to take the file, attach it to an email, send it to people. And also, as you can see in the picture on the right, you can take your presentations and share them with others so they can have access to view or even edit, so you can work together in PowerPoint. This can be great for students if you want them to work in a group on a PowerPoint, but you don't want that problem where one person does the entire thing or everyone does their own little thing, and then when they put it together it just doesn't look right. Also, it's totally free and they store everything online, so if you or your students work on it, you can get to it from any computer that has internet as long as you remember your login information. So, we're going to get started, and first of all, to use SlideRocket, you need to access SlideRocket. So we're going to go through the process of getting to their website and making your account. So the first thing you want to do is fire up your browser, whether it be Internet Explorer, Firefox, whatever you use, and you'll want to go to www.sliderocket.com. Once you're there, you'll see their wonderful little interface and some features. You can watch an interactive tour, but we're just going to sign up for SlideRocket. So the way you do that is you click the sign up button, and what you want is the Lite. It's for casual users. You won't need any of the pro features really, because all that does is add web meetings and some analytics, which is for tracking usage and things like that. So we're going to choose the Lite version. So we're going to choose the Lite version, say choose plan. Then what you do is you give it your, if it says anything, just say do you want to view content delivered securely, click no, and you're just going to type in your information, and then give it an email address, make up a password, and it'll say my email address is already in use because I've signed up before. But once you've created all that, all you gotta do is click create your account. It says thank you for registering. Then you can log in. Nothing you need to confirm, just type in your email address and your password that you made up. And do you want to remember? You don't have to, you can. And once you get logged in, you'll be presented with the interface. You'll see I already have a couple presentations made. So that's all it takes to get registered. Once you have an account, there's so many things you can do in SlideRocket. We're just going to go through a few of the key features that are available to you and any other user in SlideRocket. Alright, once you've accessed SlideRocket, then you have access to all of their features. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to guide you through the first time making a presentation in SlideRocket. So you have two options when you're making a presentation. You can click new and just start from scratch, and really cool feature, if you click the import, you can actually import a PowerPoint you already have and then use SlideRocket to modify it, make it better, and then store it online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click new. Then you give your presentation a name, so test presentation, and then you can start with a blank theme, or you can use one of their themes they already have, which gives you a set of backgrounds and images and text that go together. So I'm going to click on magnet and use that as my template just so you can see what the templates look like. So then you click OK. It'll take just a second to load the theme and load up all of the textures and backgrounds. And then you'll see there's my presentation. I click on it and here we go. I have one slide. You'll see this is very similar to a PowerPoint. I have one slide already. You can double click to enter text. You can double click to enter more text. And then you have all these text tools over here, such as colors and gradients, and you can see it's changing there. You can change your font size, and you can also make sure your text auto fits. You can add effects to it, which effects are very cool. You select an element on your slide, so I'm just selecting this text, and then you click add effect, and you can give it all kinds of neat little things to make it look better. As you can see, I clicked the bevel and it looks like it's pulled out from the page a little bit. And you can change how much it reflects, how far away the reflection is. So also you have the ability to transform it, which just means to change its size. You can also do that using the drag bars at the side. Alright, so that's all about the tools that you get. And you have these tools for every element on your page. An element just means picture, video, text. And over here is where you can add extra things to your slides. So I just clicked on New to add a new slide so that I can show you some of these tools. So I'm going to add a picture. You click on Picture, and it will take a second. It will scan your computer, and you can click on All Items, and this is all the things I've uploaded. Alright, so once it loads up, you'll see all the items that I've uploaded along with some of the things that they have given me to use. So I didn't upload this. This was already there for me. Is you can sort them by what they are, and this is just in my library. So these are my images. Say you want to get images from somewhere else, you can get them from Flickr, and you can search on Flickr for images. So I'm going to say classroom, and I'm just going to search and look at all these pictures of classrooms, and I made sure to check Creative Commons license only. That means you can use it. You don't have to worry about copyright. So if you want to insert an image, you click on it, click Add Media, and it takes that image directly from Flickr and puts it on my slide. So I'm going to make a new slide, and I'm going to show you another cool feature, which is you can actually insert a video directly from YouTube. See, what you need to do is you need to get the URL first. So I'm going to go to youtube.com. So I'm just going to pick a video that has a lot of views. Let's go with baby. There's all kinds of fun things. I'm not doing Justin Bieber, sorry. So I'm just going to click on this. What you'll want is this URL right here. So I'm going to take this URL, I'm going to copy and paste. Then you click Add Media, and it actually loads a YouTube video directly into your presentation. So you can do all kinds of things. You can add audio. So other than YouTube videos, you can insert charts, you can insert tables, you can also include some plugins. You could put a Twitter feed directly onto your presentation and it would update in real time. You can put definitions from dictionary.com. You can put fun quotes into your presentation. Alright, and the last feature, when you are done with your presentation, you want to add some fun transitions between the slides. You can click over here on the side and you can pick a transition, such as cross-fading, move in, doorway, and I'll show you once you've clicked that and I preview. You can see these transitions, how it flips from one slide to another. And you can play around with that and pick what you want. You can change these settings. So you can do all of these things, and this is just a way where between the image search online and the videos from YouTube, you can do a lot more than you can with just a basic PowerPoint. And all this is free, directly online. You don't have to install anything. It's all available for you to use. Then, once you're done using those features to create a great PowerPoint-ish presentation, we're going to show you how to import, export, and share your SlideRocket. This way you can take them and give them to other people, let other people edit, let other people watch them, or even put them into your courses. Alright, once you're done making your presentation, I'm just going to leave mine with these 3 slides. You can go to File and you can save this, and what this does is it saves the copy online in your SlideRocket account. So once I'm done with this, I can not just save, I can save copies, or I can change my theme. I can even print it, and this would be great if you want to print it to a PDF. And it'll just take this, and it'll take just a second, and then you'll have your own PDF version of this by clicking OK, and you can download it to your computer. Alright, so now I've got this presentation, I've saved it. I can also share. So what you want to do is click on Share and then Publish. And then what you can do is you can get a public link. And with this link, other people can access your SlideRocket. And by doing that, giving them the link, they can view your PowerPoint, but they can't edit it. If you want to collaborate, which means let other people collaborate with you, you can click on the Collaborate tab, and you can add emails of people you want to be able to work with you on your PowerPoint or on your SlideRocket. And you can click on this and you can give these specific people viewing rights if you just want them to see it, or you can give them edit rights if you want them to be able to change things. I click on My Presentations and you can see it's right here for me to access from any computer. So you don't have to worry about, oh, did I put the presentation on my flash drive? Did I make sure to have the most updated version? When you log in, you'll always get the most updated version of your SlideRocket presentation, and you can preview it or go back and edit it. And a preview, all that does is it loads it with the slide transitions and everything. You can make it full screen, or you can print from this window as well. That is it. Thank you so much. My contact information, as always, I am jthomas@spcc.edu. You can see my other information to get a hold of me over there on the left. Thank you very much for listening, and hopefully you can use SlideRocket in your own classroom.